Hello. Scientists say streetlight pollution has been linked to insect loss. Light pollution may have contributed to the worrying decline in insects over the past few decades. A British scientist found that the artificial streetlights interfered with moth behavior and reduced the number of caterpillars in half. Modern LED streetlights seem to have the biggest impact. There is a growing evidence that insect populations are declining due to climate change, habitat loss, and pesticides. The factors are complex and diverse, including loss of forests, fields, grasslands, and swamps, overuse of pesticides, climate change, and pollution of rivers and lakes. The use of artificial light at the night has been proposed as another driver to reduce insects, although to what extent remains unclear. The researchers say their study, published in Science Advances, is the strongest evidence, yet the light pollution can adversely affect local insect populations, with consequences for birds and other wildlife that depend on caterpillars for food. In local environments, we can now be completely sure that light pollution is important, but when we look at the entire landscape, it's less clear, said principal researcher Douglas Boyce of Butterfly Conservation. When insects are in trouble, as we believe and prove, we may need to do everything we can mitigate those negative effects. Researchers believe street lighting can prevent moths from laying eggs or put insects at risk of being seen and eaten by predators such as bats. Caterpillars born under streetlights, especially LEDs, in turn change their eating habits. But there are practical solutions that don't compromise public safety, such as dimming streetlights in the early hours of the morning, installing motion sensors, or using color filters to block out the most dangerous wavelengths. In the study, butterfly protection experts, Newcastle University and the UK Centre for Ecology and Hydrology examined caterpillars in lawns and hedgerows away from roads in the south of England. Each of the 26 street lighting locations in Oxfordshire, Berkshire and Buckinghamshire was compared to similar sections of nearby dark streets. Studies show about half the reduction in caterpillars in bright areas, 47% reduction in fences, 33% in grass borders. In the second experiment, the lamp was placed in the field. They found a reduction in the number of caterpillars under the LED lighting, indicating an influence of feeding behavior. Scientists are increasingly concerned about the reducing some insect pollutions. A scientific review of insect numbers in 2019 showed that 40% of species worldwide were experiencing dramatic rates of decline. Studies show that bees, ants, and beetles are disappearing 8 times faster than mammals, birds, or reptiles, while other species such as houseflies and cockroaches tend to thrive. The loss of insects has far-reaching consequences for entire ecosystems. Insects are a food source for many birds, amphibians, bats, and reptiles, while plants depend on insects for pollination. Thanks.